Nobody is controlling your mind. That's the comforting lie. Your phone knows when you're bored. Social media predicts what you'll watch next. Algorithms decide what you see, what you ignore, and what keeps you scrolling at 2 a.m. You didn't choose that video. You were guided to it. This isn't science fiction. This is behavioral psychology, artificial intelligence, and data-driven persuasion, working quietly, constantly, and legally. So the real question isn't, is mind control real? It's, how much of your thinking is still yours? Welcome to LumosCurios. Take your Lumos and dive into a world of curiosity, where history, science, and technology meet. We uncover ancient mysteries, explore futuristic innovations, and reveal hidden truths. The question: mind control sounds like a conspiracy. Something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the twist. It's real, just not the way you imagine. We're not talking about secret government chips or mysterious waves. We're talking about behavioral science, AI prediction, and digital influence shaping your decisions every single day. Every click, every scroll, every like feeds a massive network of data-driven algorithms. These algorithms analyze your habits, your preferences, your fears, and predict what you'll do next, sometimes even before you know it yourself. Imagine an invisible hand guiding what you watch, what you buy, even how long you stay online. Your favorite apps aren't just entertaining. They're designed with precision psychology to maximize attention, engagement, and yes, dopamine hits. So the real question isn't if mind control exists, it's how much of your mind is already being influenced by technology you use every single day. By the end of this video, you'll see that the line between choice and manipulation isn't blurry. It's being engineered with scientific precision. Prediction is power. What if I told you? Your next move online isn't really yours. Every tap, every pause, every swipe feeds advanced AI algorithms that predict your behavior with shocking accuracy. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube aren't just recommending content. They're profiling you, studying your patterns, and steering your attention toward exactly what will keep you glued to the screen. These algorithms utilize machine learning, behavioral analytics, and big data to anticipate your needs. Before you even realize you want something, the system knows and delivers it. It's not magic, it's science. Your mind is being gently guided by personalized feeds, hyper-targeted ads, and content optimized for engagement. Every second you spend scrolling, these AI systems learn more about you, refine predictions, and increase their control over your choices. You're not just consuming content, you're participating in a massive invisible experiment in digital influence and predictive technology. By the end of this section, one thing is clear. The power of prediction isn't in science fiction. It's in your smartphone, in your apps, in your hands, right now. The dopamine trap. Ever wondered why you can't stop scrolling at 2 a.m., even when you promised yourself you'd sleep? Welcome to the dopamine trap, a subtle, scientific design built into every app you use. Social media platforms, streaming services, and even mobile games are engineered to hijack your brain's reward system, giving you tiny bursts of pleasure that keep you coming back for more. Every notification, like, and share triggers dopamine release, your brain's chemical for satisfaction and reward. Algorithms exploit this, feeding you content that maximizes engagement, prolongs attention, and makes you crave more. This isn't random. It's behavioral design, neuroscience, and AI working together to subtly shape your actions without you even noticing. You think you're in control, but every scroll and click is part of a carefully orchestrated engagement loop. By now, it's clear. Your favorite apps aren't just convenient. They're tools of digital influence, crafted to keep your mind focused exactly where they want it. Understanding this is the first step to realizing how much of your behavior is being guided, scientifically, predictably, and irresistibly. Dark patterns. You think you are making choices online. But what if those choices were carefully designed for you? Welcome to the world of dark patterns. Sneaky, psychological tricks built into websites, apps, and platforms to manipulate your decisions without you realizing it. From hidden buttons to auto-renewing subscriptions, from misleading notifications to infinite scrolls, these UX designs exploit human behavior to drive clicks, engagement, and ultimately, profit. Every time you accidentally buy something or stay online longer than intended, you're a victim of digital manipulation, guided by behavioral psychology, persuasive design, and data-driven testing. Companies run A/B experiments on millions of users, learning exactly how to nudge you toward the action they want. It's not illegal, it's business science, and it works, because it's invisible, subtle, and tailored to your habits. By the end of this section, one thing is undeniable. Your online decisions are not always as free as you think. Dark patterns are shaping your behavior with precision algorithms, UX psychology, and relentless testing. And most people don't even notice. AI knows you better than you. Imagine an AI that predicts your next move online, before you even think it. This isn't science fiction. It's real, cutting-edge technology. Platforms like Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify use machine learning and deep learning algorithms to analyze every click, pause, and scroll. They build psychographic profiles, learning your habits, preferences, and emotional triggers to deliver content that keeps you engaged for hours. Every recommendation, every ad, every trending suggestion is hyper-personalized to capture your attention and guide your behavior. This is predictive analytics at scale. AI understanding your mind better than you understand yourself. And it's not just videos, it's music, shopping, news, and social interactions. AI doesn't just observe you, it models your desires, predicts your choices, and influences your next move, creating a feedback loop you might not even notice. By the end of this section, one thing is crystal clear. The tools you use every day aren't just smart. They're intelligently shaping your decisions, using AI, big data, and behavioral science in ways most people never see. The future of mind control. So, what's next? Is this the future we're heading toward? It's already here. The next frontier in mind control technology is neural interfaces, brain-computer connections, and biohacking. Imagine controlling devices just by thinking about them. No touch, no voice, just your brain waves. In the coming years, neural implants could potentially make us part of the Internet of Things, seamlessly integrating our minds with technology. Companies like Neuralink, led by Elon Musk, are working on brain-machine interfaces that could give humans direct control over computers, AI, and even machines. This technology could take us beyond passive influence to active manipulation by linking thoughts with actions. But the implications are massive. With real-time mind data being fed into predictive AI models, you could be targeted not just by what you buy, but by how you think. What if companies could advertise to your subconscious mind in ways we've never imagined? Mind control will no longer just be about influencing behavior. It will be about controlling cognition, emotions, and decision-making at the neurological level. By the end of this section, it will be clear. The future of mind control isn't just about influencing your choices. It's about connecting directly to your brain, and it's closer than you think. Can you escape it? So here's the real question. Can you escape mind control? The honest answer is no. Not completely. But you can take back influence. Technology doesn't control you because it's evil. It controls you because it's efficient, optimized, and powered by AI, data science, and behavioral psychology. The moment you understand that, something shifts. Awareness breaks automation. When you recognize algorithmic manipulation, dopamine-driven design, and persuasive technology, your brain starts resisting by default. You pause before scrolling. You question recommendations. You notice when your attention is being pulled instead of chosen. This isn't about deleting apps or unplugging from society. It's about digital literacy, attention awareness, and reclaiming cognitive freedom in an AI-driven world. Mind control doesn't end when technology disappears. It ends when you understand how it works. And that might be the most powerful upgrade your mind can ever get. Mind control was never about taking over your brain. It was about training your attention. In a world ruled by AI algorithms, predictive technology, and digital influence, awareness is power. If this video changed how you see your phone, your apps, or your choices, then your mind just leveled up. This is LumosCurios, where science, technology, and the future collide. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI, human behavior, and hidden systems shaping our world. Your mind is the most powerful technology you own. Protect it. Thanks for watching LumosCurios. If you're passionate about history, science, and technology, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mysteries and discoveries. Have your own theory or thoughts. Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next adventure, stay curious and always keep your Lumos ready.